Today we are going to show you how we make bread.
For the preparation of bread, we need
Flour,
water,
salt,
yeast,
sourdough starter.
First, we mix the water with salt. Then the rest of the ingredients are added.
When we have everything mixed with the kneading machine, we proceed to the division of the piece.
The wafer has had the size we want from the bread. Then the bread is shaped on the work table with our hands.
When we have the desired shape, the bread is put in carts with metal containers to take them to the fermentation room.
When the bread has doubled in size by fermentation, it's baked at a temperature of 200 degrees for 30-40 minutes.
Finally, it will be ready to eat.
Wow, Jaime, the bread looks delicious.
With ham and olive oil, it's awesome.
Bye bye friends.